right, welcome to Boston. Let's enter the nor'easter. So the idea of this video is to give you a point of view shot of what it's like to drive a 2018 S4 with winter wheels and tires. So see how it handles, and also briefly I just want to talk about, you know, what it's like to own and drive a car through, you know, terrible weather conditions such as this right now. This is pretty bad. They're calling it the nor'easter in, you know, in New England and Boston, but not the worst I've seen. But obviously you can see not many people on the road, and you can't really see quite far in the distance, because it's still coming down pretty hard. I mean, it's been like this for hours now, most likely going, you know, till midnight. Everywhere's closed, but Subway's open, so if you're looking for a sandwich, you gotta be kidding me. Is getting a little loose over there. It's not the cars or the, you know, the tires fault. It's just the the texture of the snow and the ice that's kind of piled, it's kind of off. So that's all it is. Still in control though. Whoa. It's crazy. There is no one on the highway. Wow. This is crazy. It's kind of eerie, but cool. Whoa. Wow, that tree came down hard. Oh man. Wow. Yeah, this winter, I mean, I can't even believe I'm calling it winter. It's like mid-March right now, but this winter took a toll on this area, on this Boston. Look at these lines and everything are down. Wow, this is insane. Everybody stay safe out there. It's like I got my own personal plow in front of me. He's getting rid of everything in my way. As long as that canister doesn't drop salt, we're okay. So I'll keep my distance. I hope you enjoyed this really brief POV video of me driving the S4 through this crazy nor'easter that we're having. So I know there's been a lack of videos the last couple weeks. I've been kind of MIA. I promise there's a lot of good stuff coming, specifically with this S4. I have a lot of cool content coming. The car is gonna get crazier, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll definitely see some hints out there. But I promise you, 2 weeks and then bam, there's gonna be, this car is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be louder, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna look sexier. Not that it already doesn't, but it's gonna look wilder. And I have a bunch more car reviews lined up. I'm just waiting for this weather to kind of clear up. It's kind of nutty out here, and I've been busy at work and with my new house and everything. So stay tuned. Sorry for my hair, it's all messed up. I had the POV head strap on. But if you like videos like this, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely make a lot more POV video. That aside, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tons of awesome stuff coming your way. Till next time, thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.
Whatever you do, every time I fall for you, if only I knew. Anyway, I fall for you. Whatever you do, every single time I fall for you. Whatever you